Hey guys and girls, welcome to my channel, the Real Life Festival Survival channel. Thumbs up from me as usual. I thank God for the grace. Today's video is going to be all about the Grizzly Bushcraft pocket knife, which is a UK legal knife to carry. So stick around and I'll show you a bit more about it. Okay guys and girls, so here we have it, the Pocket Buddy original, legal carry. This is UK legal carry, non-lock-in blade, folding knife, Grizzly Bushcraft, and it's been sent to me by Springfields.com, and check them out. They're having a sale. I'll leave some links below. They're having a January sale at the moment, and they sent me this blade as a gift, so I'm very pleased. This is my first review, first gift that I was sent by a company to review. I mean, I bought a few things from Springfields, which I'm very happy with. And yeah, they sent me this non-locking knife. So, it's my first review for a company. Usually I get stuff from my own pocket. But this one was sent to me by Springfields.com to do a short little video on. I told them I'd do videos, and if they wanted me to do any reviews, you know, they're more than welcome. So they sent me Luke over there at Springfields as the manager, and having a fantastic sale. So yeah guys, they sent me this Grizzly Bushcraft UK legal folding knife, and I'll just read the box for you. I just took it out of the packaging for the purpose of the video. So here we have it. The Pocket Buddy knife is a non-lock-in folding knife with a blade under 3 inches. This makes it legal to carry in most countries. Specification: max 2.99 inches stainless steel blade. Legal carry, metal grips. Works with a fire steel. So yeah guys, you can use this as a bushcraft knife. Yes, what I'll do is I'll leave a link below. So check out below. There's a good friend of mine who's got a channel called WESSEX Blades, and he makes blades and he reviews blades, and he took this knife for its, you know, he tested this knife out, battening, going through paper. Basically he gave this knife a real pounding, and it really, you know, it really surprised me how strong this blade really is. And I'll tell you what, he really worked on it. So check out the video, a link below. And yeah, I'm very pleased with the blade. Let's check out overall length. I'll just move the packaging down for you guys. So yeah, the legal limit in England is you can't have a 3-inch blade, and this blade is just under 3 inches, and overall length of the folding knife is just around about approximately 7 inches. It's got a really nice handle, really feels good in the hand. Okay, so you can use this for battening. You can use this for on a fire steel. Okay, it's got a really good flat edge there for a fire steel. It's got a little clip there, so you can put it on your belt, you can put it in your pocket, and it's got a really nice handle. And usually I'm not really a folding knife type person, but after watching WESSEX Blades demonstration of this blade, I thought this would be a fantastic addition to your bushcraft kit. Everyday carry. It's UK legal. It's under 3 inches. So there's my short and sweet video, guys and girls. I'm really pleased. My first review for a company for 2019, and I just thank God really. You know, I've worked hard enough. I've worked as hard as I could on the channel. I'm over 700 subs now, so thanks to all the subscribers out there. Thanks for the people that have been supporting my channel, and thanks for the people that are genuinely being friendly, and I consider everyone my friends, you know, and God bless you all. And so yeah, this has been a short and sweet review on the Pocket Buddy Grizzly Bushcraft folding knife, UK legal in most countries, and it really is a strong sturdy knife, guys and girls, so look into it. I do believe they retail around about £15, something like that, $15.99, but like I said, it was given to me as a gift, which I'm very pleased with, from Springfields.com. Check them out, they've got a January sale at the moment, and here it is, guys and girls. So thanks for watching the video. If you want to like, share, subscribe, please do so. If you want to leave any comments and what you think about this blade, you know, please do so. So thanks, guys, for watching the video. Have a good 2019, and that's just my short and sweet little review on the Pocket Buddy legal carry, UK legal carry. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching the video. Take care, guys. Bushcraft non-locking blade right there. Fantastic bit of kit. I was sent this recently by Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. Welcome to my channel, the Real Love Festival Survival channel. And in today's video, I've got a car coming past. Always happens. And a bike. And there's another vehicle coming past. Always happens. There you go.